So if you want your design to come out of Canva as multiple layers, you've got two options. Option one is to utilize Canva Pro and download your file as an SVG file. This means it's already going to have all the layers you need and you won't have to mess with it once it gets into Cricut Design Space, except maybe a little bit of cleanup. But if you don't have Canva Pro, then you're going to be downloading your files as PNGs with a transparent background. But then when you upload it into Cricut Design Space, it's just going to be like a silhouette, like what you're talking about here. Like so. First, you're just going to need to duplicate it as many times as layers you want. In my case, that's 3. Click on one, then click Contour, and click on each layer you don't want to see. When you X out, you just have your smallest layer. Repeat that on the second one, but this time we only want to preserve the middle arch. So I'm going to deselect the top one and the lower one. Then we're going to repeat on this last one. Okay, so now we have all 3 arches. Now when I click each one, I can change the color up here. Changing all 3. Now just going to drag them into place. Boom, 3 layers.